Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to Destination Perfect. We're diving headfirst into the electric, eclectic, heart-thumping nightlife of London. First up, we're starting at a place that needs no introduction, but we're gonna give it one anyway. Fabric. Imagine this. 3 rooms, each with its own unique vibe, all powered by a sound system so good it'll make your teeth vibrate. Fabric is a melting pot of genres, from house and techno to drum and bass, grime, you name it. Trust me, when those lights go down and the bass drops at Fabric, you're not just dancing, you're experiencing history in the making. Next, we're hopping over to another London landmark, a place that practically invented the super club Ministry of Sound. Ministry of Sound is synonymous with house music. We're talking 4 floors, 6 rooms, each with its own distinct sound and atmosphere. The main room, known as the Box, is legendary. They bring in the biggest names in house music, week after week, year after year. So if you're a true househead, a pilgrim on the search for sonic bliss, Ministry of Sound is your Mecca. Alright, let's switch gears a bit and head over to XOYO, a club that's all about that perfect blend of live music and killer DJ sets. It's got this raw, underground vibe like you've stumbled into the coolest house party in town. One night you might catch an indie band blowing the roof off, the next night it's a world-renowned DJ spinning techno till dawn. This is where the cool kids come to play, the trendsetters, the tastemakers. So if you're looking for a club with its finger on the pulse of what's hot and happening in music, XOYO is calling your name. Chapter 4. Printworks. Rave in a time capsule. This is Printworks, a venue that's as much about the space itself as it is about the music. Imagine this, a massive industrial cathedral of steel and concrete, a former printing factory transformed into a temple of sound. Printworks curates a diverse lineup, from techno and house to disco and even live bands. This is more than just a club, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of London's industrial past and its vibrant cultural present. Chapter 5. Egg London. Your all-night wonderland. Now, let's talk about Egg London, a club that's like stepping into a grown-up playground. We're talking 3 floors, 5 rooms, each with its own distinct personality. Egg London is known for its playful vibe and its commitment to showcasing both established and up-and-coming DJs. So, if you're looking for a club that's all about good times and good vibes, Egg London should be at the top of your list. Next up, we're heading to a place that's close to my heart, a place where love is always the message and inclusivity is the name of the game. Heaven. Stepping into heaven is like entering a world of pure joy and liberation. The energy here is electric, the music is uplifting, and the crowd is a beautiful tapestry of diversity. Heaven is known for its legendary parties, from pop and R&B to house and techno. If you're looking for a night out that's full of heart, soul, and unforgettable memories, Heaven is calling. Chapter 7. The Box. Shh. It's a secret. Alright folks, buckle up, because we're about to enter the realm of the exclusive, the mysterious, the downright scandalous. The Box. The Box is not for the faint of heart. Just remember, what happens in the box stays in the box. Chapter 8. Cargo. Where cool kids come to play. Let's take a trip to the heart of Shoreditch, where the cool kids come to play and the vibes are always on point. Cargo. Cargo is all about that raw, industrial aesthetic with exposed brick walls, dim lighting, and a killer sound system. Cargo curates a diverse lineup, from live bands and DJs spinning everything from house and techno to disco and funk. So, if you're looking for a cool, laid-back vibe with a side of underground charm, Cargo is calling your name. Chapter 9. Electric Brixton. A blast from the past, a party for the present. We're heading to Electric Brixton, a venue steeped in history and buzzing with modern energy. Located in the heart of Brixton, this iconic venue has seen it all, from its early days as a cinema to its current status as a premier nightlife destination. The original Art Deco features are still intact, giving the place a sense of grandeur and history. Walking through its doors feels like stepping back in time, yet the modern lighting and sound systems remind you that you're in the present. Electric Brixton hosts a diverse lineup of live music and club nights, from indie rock to electronic beats. The venue has become a melting pot of musical genres, attracting artists and fans from all over the world. And electronic to hip-hop and soul. Whether you're here to see a DJ spin the latest tracks or a live band perform, there's always something for everyone. The crowd here is always up for a good time, and the atmosphere is electric, pun intended. The energy is palpable, with people dancing, singing along, and simply enjoying the moment. So, if you're looking for a venue that's both historic and happening, Electric Brixton is the place to be. It's a perfect blend of the old and the new, making it a must-visit spot for anyone looking to experience the best of Brixton's nightlife. For all my audiophiles out there, this one's for you. We're heading to Phonox, a club that's all about the music, and nothing but the music. Phonox is known for its impeccable sound system, a custom-built rig that'll blow your mind. Phonox focuses on quality over quantity, booking DJs who are passionate about music and know how to work a crowd. So, if you're a true music lover looking for a club that takes sound seriously, Phonox is your sanctuary. Let's switch gears a bit and head to the Jazz Cafe, a place where you can experience the magic of live jazz in an intimate and electrifying setting. Imagine walking into a room where the air is thick with the soulful sounds of saxophones and the gentle hum of a double bass. The Jazz Cafe is all about that classic speakeasy vibe, reminiscent of the golden age of jazz. With dim lighting that casts a warm, inviting glow and plush seating that beckons you to sink in and stay a while, the stage here has seen some of the biggest names in jazz grace its presence. It's a place where history and music intertwine. The Jazz Cafe hosts a stellar lineup of jazz musicians, offering a diverse range of performances that cater to all jazz enthusiasts. From legends who have shaped the genre to up-and-coming artists pushing its boundaries, every performance is a unique experience. It's about the feeling of being transported back in time to a smoky jazz club, where every note played tells a story. The feeling of being up close and personal with world-class musicians, sharing an intimate moment through music. So, if you're looking for a night of smooth grooves, late-night moods, and unforgettable musical experiences, where every song leaves an imprint on your soul, the Jazz Cafe is calling. It's not just a venue, it's a journey into the heart of jazz. Last but not least, we're heading to a venue that's as grand as its name suggests, KOKO. Nestled in the heart of Camden, this venue has a rich history that dates back over a century. Originally opened as a theater in 1900, KOKO has undergone several transformations, each adding a new layer to its storied past. This former theater is a sight to behold, a stunning example of Victorian architecture that's been lovingly restored and transformed into one of London's most iconic music venues. The intricate details of its ornate ceiling and the grandeur of its stage transport you back in time, while the modern lighting and sound systems ensure a top-notch experience. KOKO hosts a diverse lineup of live music and club nights, from indie rock and pop to electronic and hip-hop. Whether you're a fan of up-and-coming indie bands or the latest electronic beats, there's always something exciting happening here. The venue's eclectic programming ensures that there's something for everyone. This venue has seen it all, from vaudeville acts to rock concerts, and its walls are practically vibrating with the energy of countless performances. Imagine the legends who have graced this stage, leaving their mark on the very fabric of the building. The atmosphere is electric, and you can feel the history pulsating through every corner. So, if you're looking for a night out that's both grand and intimate, historic and happening, KOKO is the perfect place to create unforgettable memories. Whether you're there for a concert, a club night, or just to soak in the ambiance, KOKO offers an experience like no other. It's a place where the past and present collide, creating a unique and vibrant atmosphere that you won't find anywhere else. So there you have it, folks. 12 of London's best nightclubs, each one a universe unto itself. London's nightlife is a kaleidoscope, a constantly evolving tapestry of sound, light, and energy. So, what are you waiting for? Book that flight, grab your friends, and get ready to experience the magic of London after dark. Peace.